said that you are an organic supporter. Then how can maging organic supporter ka when you're hijacking an event of the Duterte supporters? We flew all the way from the Philippines just to be here, just to show our support. Then why are you hijacking it? And sinend mo pa kay Roddy Bulilit yung mga troll account niyo? Ano? So sinong organic supporter ngayon? Pumunta kami dito, nakipag-away ba kami sa inyo? Wala. Diba? So bakit kayo nakikipag-away sa amin? Ha? I don't even know you. I even thank you. Diba?
Don't point your fingers to me.
No, I'm eating.
I would stand for a bully like you.
Bully? Did I ever bully you? Who bullied me? Who bullied you? You bullied us. Oh my fucking goodness. No, you can't intimidate me.
Shout out us Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Oh! Sena! Ano ba? Hala, na-intimidate tayo sila, guys. Dili daw sila magpa-intimidate. Wamay nang-intimidate. Nag-live raman me. Tanga. I'm not even talking to you. I'm talking to my followers. Oh, really? Yes? You are trying to hijack the Duterte event, right? That's what you said, di ba? Yes. Oh, Pound, come on. Di ba sabi mo, hina-hijack mo ang mga event ng mga Duterte? Bakit mo hina-hijack? You said that you are an organic supporter. Then how can maging organic supporter ka when you're hijacking an event of the Duterte supporters? We flew all the way from the Philippines just to be here, just to show our support. Then why are you hijacking it? And sinend mo pa kay Roddy Bulilit yung mga troll account niyo? Ano? So sinong organic supporter ngayon? Pumunta kami dito, nakipag-away ba kami sa inyo? Wala. Diba? So bakit kayo nakikipag-away sa amin? Ha? I don't even know you. I even thank you. Diba?
Don't point your fingers to me.
No, I'm eating.
I would stand for a bully like you.
Bully? Did I ever bully you? Who bullied me? Who bullied you? You bullied us. Oh my fucking goodness. No, you can't intimidate me.
Ikaw ang pumunta dito sa aming event. Bobo ka ba?
Hi! Sa mga naka-live, Gen Z, ang tatapang na nila online. Tangina, puro Marcos resign, wala kang ginawa sa Pilipinas.
Ano ng lugar nito? Iyo to?
True.
Sa'yo to?
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Yan yun, siya yung nagsabi ng hijack daw siya ng event. Bakit yan? Ano, hijacker ka? Oh, yes daw. Oh my God, thanks for admitting that. Putang ina mo. Okay lang ko i-search.
Fake vlogger, so ano ka?
Oo. No, Alvin. Do not mediate us. No, hindi kasi ang nangyari is nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him. Okay ha, I don't even know him. Pumunta siya, dyan siya nakatayo. I even thanked him sa bravery niya, nagpa-interview siya sa Reuters. Tapos bakit pag uwi mo, sinabi mo hinahijack ang event? We were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion. Then who are you?
So
who are you? I'm Tio Moran, and who are you?
I am dead.
Oh, so you're dead. No one even knows you.
So you are.
Oh my, really? The fact that you are commenting about me speaks volumes that you know me. And who are you again? Den. Fuck!
Pasalita mo na, Tio.
Ay, may salita siya lang pakialam sa kanya. Kainis! Nabibideo pa mga kulto nila. Akala nila, ano?
Wait mo na, okay? Because I wanted to make sure, I wanted to make you feel na you are received here properly, walang ma-issue ganyan.
Hindi, baka matapon ko yung coffee sa kanya.
Ay sabi ko, bakit ba siya magsabi na nahadlok kami o parang hijack ng event? We welcome you, correct or not? Exactly, yeah. We ask you na gusto mo ka ng food or ganito. We didn't want any kanang parang hostility towards your treatment. That's why we are very shocked na bakit ka nagpa-post ng mga ganoon when we only wanted about to show our unwavering love and support. What's the motivation?
Well, to be honest, it's a message. It's a private conversation. And I don't know. It was posted. That's my opinion and that's my take on it.
So you have problem with Roddy Bulilit posting your...
Bakit ako na-away?
No, but no, my motivation, my question is, what's your...
What an argument. Very elementary. Ang ina.
I did not post it. He posted it without my permission. It's a private conversation.
That's why it's already posted. So
Ang headline bukas, mga DDS nag-away-away sa ano, deserve.
That's his take. That's not my take.
That's not my take. That's not my take. I paid for my own plane ticket, my accommodation and everything, tapos gaganyanin mo lang. Tangina mo. Kahit i-show ko pa bank account ko sa'yo na hindi ako bayaran kasi may pera ako.
What's posted without consent.
Thank you.
Sir, did you hear what he said? He said that a lot of Filipino supporters flew all the way from Davao to here just to show their unwavering love and support, right? It's established. Wait lang.
Dagang chika. Panahawa ni Alvin eh. Dagang chika. Wala na mao. Exactly. That's our point.
Somebody is taking offense on a private message. It's not for him.
But the private message is about us here.
No, it is about a personal experience.
Did you read
That's my personal experience.
Exactly. That's the problem. You know, you go to an event and then you have these things and then you communicate with Rudy Bulilit. When in fact this person has something sinasabi nila.
Ah, yan na naman yung mga alpotera na issue na yan eh. Ang mga kilala nyo, mga alpotera dito. Tangin na yung lahat.
Not meant for this.
Poro chika.
Don't make it subject for discussion. It's about Brody.
Okay.
So
Yeah, exactly. It's about Rodi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
about anything.
You know what? Ang naka-offend lang sa akin talaga din, yung sinabi mo na you hijack the event. Why would you hijack a Duterte event?
That's
How
not
would
what
I
he said.
hijack
Oh.
your event?
You said it yourself. Then why are you saying that you haven't hijacked the event?
And now we're still
Yes.
going away
Yeah.
from the basic line. Are we here for Rodrigo or are we here for
Exactly.
a discussion about nothing?
Yeah,
so that's what I'm
exactly.
asking you. Are you making discussion about nothing or are you here to support Rodrigo Duterte and to call out for Marcos Rosai?
The premise of your statement is very basic.
Oh my God, you guys don't have the best debaters in town.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
How agis ako, excuse me.
The main cause why we're here should be
Dila ko kayo, magkaos ng ice cream.
About the futility started when then actually when the private conversation of then was posted.
Hijack event? Bakit niya i-hijack event ng mga Duterte?
Answer me.
Totoo pala yun,
Is
hijack.
that my fault when they posted a private conversation without consent?
It's very rhetorical, so I'm not going to answer it.
Yes or no?
The question is, why would this? Of course, it's not your fault because somebody.
Yes, it's not my fault.
Okay, so you're okay with it?
Yes, it's not my
No, you're
fault.
okay with it. Your private
Alvin.
posted.
No, of course
Enough, tama na mga chika di. Dagang chika, wa na mao.
Kasi nga, I wanted to point this out because it's very sad. We are here
No,
for
I'm not sad,
PRRD.
actually.
No, for me.
For you.
Kasi we are here for PRRD and then all of these side comments, hijacking, ganito. Would you want to go, di ba?
Exactly.
All of you are supporters of Tatay Digong. When I was in the Philippines, I saw something like this in social media. Kami
Dito ako.
sa Pilipinas nalulungkot. You know,
Pao.
we should come out bringing up the best of the DDS. We have to be united. United not only in words, but in deeds. What is the messaging that we're trying to show the world when the supporters are quarreling among themselves?
Exactly.
Who will benefit from this? It's the Marcos administration.
Exactly.
Marcos
Exactly.
That's why
Exactly.
I'm one of your Duterte 10. I'm so saddened with what I personally witnessed now.
right now.
I appeal to all of you. Let's be one. Let's go for the win.
Attorney, can I say something? Okay, we wanted to unite, but for the likes of them, labeling them like
likes of me.
ganito, ganyan.
You just said
No,
that.
no, it's like this. My suggestion to everybody. Sometimes we cannot force friendship among ourselves.
I have no even plans to be friends with them. Why would I? Oh my God.
To respect each other.
I have my circles in the Philippines and better than them.
There is a situation where you really do not want to talk with that person. Just stay a distance because we cannot force. So if this is clear, although I was thinking that the Duterte Street is such a long street, it's just
Right.
So if we cannot stay united, let's respect each other. stay in one place, the other group stays in the other place. Don't let the other one hear each other or insult each other. Please be respectful. The whole Philippines is watching us, especially the Duterte supporters. What kind of messaging are we showing everybody if we are not united?
Exactly.
Please, all of you are our friends.
Exactly.
From the Duterte 10, from the Duterte supporters in the Philippines. I'm with my wife. We're so proud to see the Filipino community all over the world come here and be united. Then I personally witnessed this.
Now I bring you here. You think of
So
the reality.
please, even if we have personal opinions against another person,
Right.
let's be more patient and keep it to ourselves. Yung tao nakakulong doon.
Exactly.
Exactly our
Exactly.
So please, let us sacrifice our personal feelings, no? For all.
Hago eh.
Attorney Roque is here.
Sapod na.
Mahirap rin sitwasyon ni Attorney Roque. Malayo sa pamilya. No? So, intindihin rin natin si Attorney Roque. Nobody is perfect. May mga
Almost
damdamin
lang.
ng lahat. Let's respect each other. Kung talagang hindi natin. So,
Wow,
this
kami
is
chika.
all.
Chikadura.
Okay.
Eksena naman,
I
don't
hope
expect.
that after this,
Boy
there
set.
is hope. Yung iba sa amin, sa Duterte 10, takot makisali dito kasi baka madamay raw. Damay ng buong Duterte supporters dahil nagkawatak-watak. Please, let's sacrifice our personal feelings for the benefit of the bigger cause. And the bigger cause is we bring back Tatay Digong home.
Yes, that's the way.
The bigger cause is we put a good president by 2028.
Correct.
And the bigger cause is for us to have leaders that will bring development and peace to our country.
Attorney, can I interrupt you? This has nothing to do with the away, ha? I just want to make everything clear here. The first ever Maisog, I think you were there. I was there. I'm part of the organizing team. And kayo, nakakita namin mga post nila, double agent, mga bayaran, blah, blah, blah. Those were the accusations levied at us. We didn't make battle for them. We didn't make battle for so many months, for several months. We didn't make battle. It's just that, up until now, yung mga pagpunta namin dito issue sa kanila, hindi naman ako pobre. I mean, I have 3 jobs. I can afford to travel. Pero yan yung pinagsasabi nila sa akin. Tapos, I can't shout now Marcos resign. I was there when Baste shouted Marcos resign. We were there doing the narratives for Marcos to resign, impeach Marcos and everything. Pero may mga tao dito na nag-accuse sa amin. Tapos, organic Duterte supporters, double agent, fake Duterte supporters. Tang-ina. Tang-ina talaga.
Lahat tayo may feelings.
Correct.
Ang iba, feeling mo lang yun.
One thing that unites us is our love of country. And love of country.
Baka love of solicitation. Hindi love of country, baka love of solicitation.
Naging magandang Pangulo si Tatay Digong. Now, what kind of messaging do we show the Filipinos?
Wala akong stand, guys.
This actually exemplifies what's happening now to the Philippines. Watak-watak ang Pilipinas. Pati ba naman ang oposisyon, watak-watak? So please, ang personal feelings natin, isakripisyo natin for the bigger cause. It applies to all. Hindi lang sa isang grupo, sa pangalawang grupo. Now, avoid yung mang-insulto.
Correct.
Kasama natin na mga DDS o sa kasama natin na Maisog, sa kasama nating PDP Laban, what do we benefit
Wow,
kung mang-insulto
nag-spike up
tayo?
ang viewers.
So, please,
Guys, I'm completely okay.
I appeal to everybody. Uwi na po bukas. Uwi na. Tayo uwi rin yung Marami. Ang mga Pilipino na nandito sa the Netherlands, salamat sa hospitality ninyo. Salamat sa humba. Talagang nakita ko yung humba. Why do we fight about the humba? Mas malaki
Exactly.
yung nakaharap natin na laban. Eleksyon. So, ang bababaw natin. Ang bababaw natin.
Correct!
Lahat
At ayun,
tayo.
pati yung book!
Lahat
Diba?
tayo
Pati yung
mababaw.
book.
Kaya, baguhin natin.
Eksena.
We have bigger fights. So, please forgive each
Dar-
other. Please forgive each
Pao,
other.
Daryl Yap is watching.
Are you gonna fix this?
Hindi.
Hello, dear
Wala kasi akong kasalanan sa kanila. Bakit nila ako inaaway?
Please.
Kasi dapat mangyari pag wala
Mas ano,
Correct!
ang
Dapat ina-apply na yan sa mga sarili ninyo.